Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can log into your existing Notion account. To log into your Notion account, first of all, open up the Notion app on your mobile device, and then once you are in the home page, go ahead and choose one of the login methods available. Since I chose the email option while signing up for my Notion account, I'm going to choose the same. But you can choose the Google, Apple, Microsoft, or other login options provided. Now, if you choose continue with email, you'll need to enter your email address that you previously used to set up for a new account on Notion. Type down your email address in the correct way and then click on continue. It'll then prompt you to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password correctly. But if you don't remember your password, you can tap on forgot your password. Finally, click on Continue with Password button, and you will then be logged into your Notion account right away. So that's how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if it was. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.